Hello, my name is Valentino Hernando Samuel Matakena. I am accountancy major. My NIM number is 211-419-0010. I am from Universitas Persada Indonesia to YAI. Today, my topic is traveling. I will bring the topic of Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot is one of the important temples of Balinese Hindus, and the location of the temple is located on a large rock of the coast. Tanah Lot temple is tourist icon on the island of Bali. In addition, it is one of the famous tourist attractions on the island of Bali that must be visited. Because of the famous tourist attraction in Bali, almost every day, this tourist attraction is always crowded with tourist visits. Pura Tanah Lot Tabanan Bali. This is the picture. Furthermore, this temple was built in two different places. One temple is located on a large boulder, and the other is on the cliff jutting into the sea, similar to the tourist attraction of Pura Luhur Uluwatu, Bali. This cliff connects to the temple with the mainland. The shape of the cliff is curved like a bridge. In addition, Tanah Lot Temple is a part of the Kahyangan Jaga Temple in Bali, which is intended as a place of worship for the guardian god of the sea. At, at a high tide, the temple will be seen surrounded by seawater. Underneath, there is a small cave in which there are several sea snakes. Meanwhile, at high tide, you can walk closer to the temple location. Holy snake. Sea snake have characteristic of flat tail like a fish, black with yellow strips. According to the story, the sea snake is the incarnation of the temple of Swal. The attraction of the Tanah Lot Bali tourist attraction. This is the picture. Along the road to the tourist attraction, there are many inns, starting from simple inns to villas and a five-star hotels. This tourist spot on the island of Bali is very crowded with tourists, especially in the afternoon before sunset. From the parking lot to the temple area, there are many shops selling various Balinese handicraft. For example, sculptures, painting, beads clothes, knickknacks, and accessories such as the Sukawati Bali Art Market. The price is also relatively cheap for domestic and foreign tourists. In addition, there are food and beverage vendors as well as toilet rentals. There are also several hotels close to the beach in the vicinity of the tourist attraction, which organize various events in the evening. For example, Kecak dance performance, sunset dinners, and a wedding. The main attraction of Tanah Lot Tabanan Temple as a tourist spot lies in the uniqueness of the location of the temple, which is on a large road. At high tide, the temple will be seen in the middle of the sea. The beauty of the sunset view with the silhouette of the temple. If you are on vacation to Bali and like to see the sunset view, look here. This is a great place to see the sunset in Bali. This tourist spot is also often one of the locations for pre-wedding photos in Bali. For tourists who choose the island of Bali as a location for pre-wedding photos. Tanah Lot Bali entrance ticket and price. Then, to be able to enter this tourist area, every tourist is required to pay an entrance ticket to the tourist attraction. There is a difference between the ticket price for domestic tourists and the ticket price for foreign tourists. In addition, paying the extra ticket, you also have to pay a parking fee. This is the price and category. Meter is 20K. children is 15K, two-wheel motorcycles is 2K, four-wheel car parking 5K. Best time to visit. Because the main exertion of this tourist attraction lies in the beauty of the sunset view with the silhouette of the temple, so the best time to visit is 5, 7, 5 winter. Most tourists will spend vacation time at this attraction on average 1 hour 30 minutes. Maybe you will ask, what time is the sunset at the Tanalo temple? Because sunset time changes every day. To make it easier for you to find the right sunset time. The best season of the vacation to Tanalo temple. If we talk about the best holiday season to Tanalo Bali, then the answer is January 1, namely holidays during the low season. Then when does the low season occur on the island of Bali? Low season in Bali. Many Indonesian tourists do not know when the low season for the tourist visit to Bali is. For your information, the low season for tourist visit on the island of Bali occurs from mid-January to mid-April. In addition, to low season on the island of Bali also occurs in the mid-September and to mid-December. There are many advantages that tourists get when vacationing during the low season in Bali compared to holidays during the high season in the Bali. The advantages such as a less traffic jam, reduced crowds in the tourist attraction, and a cheaper hotel room price. High season in Bali. The high season of tourist visit on the island of Bali occurs in July, August, late December and the first week of January. During the high season on the island of Bali, road traffic is very congested. Tourist attraction is very crowded. In addition, the price of hotel room is quite expensive if you compare the price of hotel rooms during the low season. Temple address and the map location. The address of the temple is in a Beraban village, Kejiri district, the Tabanan Regency. The distance is 13 kilometers to the west of the city of Tabanan. From Ngurah Rai Airport to the temple location can be reached in approximately 1 hour 20 minutes. Frequency asked question. Does the location see the view of the Tanah Lot temple from the far parking lot? The distance from the location to see view of the Tanah Lot temple from the vehicle parking is actually 200 meters. Along the way from the parking lot to the Tanah Lot tourist area, you will see many souvenir sellers. What does the Tanah Lot mean? Tanah has the same meaning as land in Indonesian, while lot means sea, so Tanah Lot means land in the middle of the sea. Is the access road of the rock area where the Tanah Lot temple is located? Access to the rock of Tanah Lot temple location is only available at the low tide. However, tourists are not allowed enter to the Tanah Lot temple area unless they want to pray. Is there a dress code when on vacation to Tanah Lot? There is no specific dress code while on vacation to Tanah Lot. It's different if you want to enter the area within the Tanah Lot temple. It is only allowed if you want to pray and must wear a sarong, clothes covering the shoulder and a cap. So this is my presentation about the Tanah Lot. I hope you enjoy my presentation and thank you.